Hello, welcome back to my channel once again. Today we are going to make mango oil. Please like, share and subscribe to my channel and click on the notification bell so that you always be updated when I upload a new video. So after eating my mango, I dried it for 3 days to make sure I get rid of the stickiness out of it. Pardon me. And then I removed the seed from the shell. So after removing the seed from the shell, I then I dried the mango seed with the mango skin. So this is the skin. So after drying it, I then cut them into pieces and then blend into a fine powder. Try to get the powder as fine as you can. So what are some of the benefits of this mango seed or mango oil? Mango seed oil is an excellent source of fatty acid. Mango promotes hair growth. Mango seed has great moisturizing properties. It also contains vitamin E, A, B, and C. It serves as an antioxidant and flavonoids. So I then put 2 tablespoons of the mango seeds in a bottle and then 1 tablespoon of the mango skin powder into a bottle, and then I mixed it and then added my coconut oil. Please, the coconut oil should always be a cold pressed one. If you want to know how to make cold pressed coconut oil, I will leave the link in the description box below. So after that, I did the double boiler method. So I boiled it for about 10 to 15 minutes. So let's continue with the benefits of the mango seed. It promotes collagen. It also helps in scalp conditioning, and it nourishes hair. It can help get rid of dandruff and other hair problems. So thank you all for watching and please subscribe. Bye bye.